Hello my fellow YouTube friends, this is Noah with Save Green here, and today we're going to talk about a change that just started effective today, May 2nd, 2018. Mint SIM is no longer Mint SIM, they are now Mint Mobile. And as you can see on my phone here at the top in the browser, you see the website mintmobile.com. I believe if you still type in mintsim.com, it'll still come out. I believe they own that domain still, but this is something really cool if you're a Mint Sim or now Mint Mobile customer, because this shows you that the company is moving forward. They're getting progressive, and their prices are going to stay the same, but the fact that they put the word mobile in there shows a lot. That means they're really growing as far as customer base, and a lot of people like you and I are starting to take note and find out that it's much better to pay less for wireless. For example, like you see here, for 12 months of service with 5 gigabytes of data, I would pay $20 a month. Basically, I do have to pay that in the 12-month segment, so I would have to pay 20 times 12, $240, but that's a lot cheaper than what people are paying nowadays. But if you don't want to do that, you can go 6 months and pay $24 a month times 6 months, and that'll be your total. You can do it that way. So they have been featured on Forbes, CNET, Digital Trends, Android Central, the Next Web, Gadget Review. They're really growing. Now, if you are already a customer, you got this email, and I'll show it to you in just a minute. No going back. Dear Mint family, fresh new name, same minty service, exciting news. Beginning May 2nd, which is today, we will officially be known as Mint Mobile. I like that tattoo you got in Cabo. It's permanent. Pretty funny. Why do we do it? Mint SIM was a great name for us while we were getting started, but Mint Mobile is a little more in tune with who we are. We're more than just a SIM card, we're a mobile phone plan, and this new name will clue people into what we're all about. So this is a good thing, and if you are a Mint SIM customer, this is good news for you. If you're looking to be a Mint SIM or Mint Mobile customer, I got to get used to that, you should be very happy knowing that you're going with a company that is definitely growing up, and they're not going to go anywhere in my opinion. So please, if you haven't tried them out, at least try them out for 3 months. I've been very happy with them. We're going on month number 5 right now. Next month, June, our 6-month plan is up, and we had the 2 gig plan, and we're going to upgrade to the 5 gig plan. So basically, I will be paying $240 at once, but it will give me service for 12 months. At least for 12 months, I won't have to worry about anything having to do with my cellular service. And this is a good thing. So again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Our channel is dedicated to giving you tips on saving you green, saving you money, and definitely Mint SIM is on the top of our list. Thank you for watching, and please, at the bottom of the page, click that subscribe button and the little thumbs up. Please give us a thumbs up as well. Thank you very much. You have a great day.